Siyabonga mama. No, hayi ungamhlebeli ukuthi uyazazi izinto abeloku ezisho ngawe. Ungathula nje uthi hayi no, ngiyabonga. Mhla kwenzeka ngelinye ilanga ekhuluma noma ethi eqamba amanga ethi bese uyakhuluma uthi hayi no, nazi. And make sure ukuthi you keep every screenshot in everything obona kahle ukuthi inobu controversial. Yazi into engiyibonile mina u-Ashley make sure ukuthi like wonke umuntu uyalwa balwa bodwa or balwa around them, yabo. Ngeke nje ukuthi usebenze kumele kuliwe nje nawo wonke umuntu kumele kuliwe bese athi awumeli ebantwini. You don't stand for me because mina I'm a person who says okay, let me hear both stories, you understand, but ufuna ukuthi uthathe side lakhe always bese athi oh so you don't believe me, but vele we done with that one. So mama wena I wish you the best. Cishe wasixabanisa, cishe wasenza abantu ababi. Nami bese ngishintshe umuntu omubi, but even I refused because bengibona ukuthi there's something wrong, and I've kept every evidence from day one. What I want to know is she really pregnant? Because she, that one is lying. That one I want to know. But ngizobuye ngilungise mina because angifuna athi I'm absent father and what yabo. And she should use your name ukuthi mama never was name, mama never was doing this, mama, you understand, and then it's what mama never, you understand, but we are past that one now. I really
Sanibonani ninjani, welcome back to our channel. As you could hear the voice notes, Sweet Guluva and Ashley have broken up once again. We know that they did break up, but then when they broke up was because the mother of Sweet Guluva and the family and the friends, they never wanted Ashley. They were trying to protect the Sweet Guluva. They will make sure the Sweet Guluva is not available. But then again, Sweet Guluva was able to find his way back to Ashley. Now, Ashley changed the management. Apparently, Ashley was been managed by a fan called Mama Neo, and then Ashley decided to change the management while manager colored. I get Mama Neo got to release a screenshot Sweet Guluva ehleba ngo Ashley. They say Ashley is very controlling. They also say that Ashley, whenever he fights with people and then he gets into trouble, she wants Sweet Guluva to be part of that beef. And then Sweet Guluva has always said no, he doesn't want to be part of the beef. So she always Sweet Guluva always want to hear both sides of the story. It's okay, Ashley, I hear you, my love, but what happened? What did you do? What did that person do? So yeah. Now this voice note esilikiwe Sweet Guluva ekhuluma ke no mama lona the manager lokuthi ebekhipha ama screenshots mangabe khuluma no Ashley. Ashley also futhi uyasola ngokuthi ucheater ne Nigeria ethile, uchithela uSweet Guluva. But ke manje they don't follow each other. Ashley is not following Sweet Guluva, Sweet Guluva is not following Ash. The internet is trending ukuthi indoda enjani ehlebayo. Abantu bathi shuthi, abantu abasapothaza uAshley bathi shuthi uSweet Guluva akazamthanda uAshley. How do you do this ukuthi keep evidence for umuntu omthandayo? Apparently kunama screenshot, kunama voice note, and uya shame uSweet Guluva uyasho kulo mama ukuthi inkinga ka Ashley one akafuna ukulalela, bexabana nabantu ufuna nabantu baxabana. Manje bathi abantu indoda enjani leni ehamba ekhulume ngomuntu wayo emthanda kwabanye abantu. But I mean, I will say, okay, he's still a baby, he's 23 years old, but he's kind of intelligent. I will say, Sweet Guluva has been poisoned a long time ago about to Ashley anyway, since he was out of the house. That I know for sure. Her mother and the friends did not want Ashley in Guluva's life, because obviously she's colored and they believe she's older, and then they believe ukuthi uzomcontrola uSweet Guluva. So very Sweet Guluva meka buyela mesephumile endlini esebuyela kuAshley after bemfihlile. Ufika vele usenale mentality ukuthi ekhaya bamfuni bathanga imgadi bathi buyela kuyena kodwa mgadi. So vele ubenalokho. So we don't know what's we know ukuthi njengamanje bahlukene. And we know the fact that the screenshots are out. The screenshots are not out, but the voice note is out. And then there's this another voice note of these Nigerians. Angtlangazi zaman Nigerian ahlangana apha neBig Brother South Africa. Mhlawumbe yona into eqinisa ukuthi hayibo okunye ka kuthiwa ulentozana ukhulelwe. Manje Sweet Guluva uthi akazoza ukukhulelwa ngempela yini. So kusho ukuthi and these rumors of pregnancy awaqali. Anyway, but usut Guluva akakholwa ukuthi kune-pregnancy. Ooh, ay, bye-bye.
And so Gulliver that was quiet
Guluva
in the
was
house.
quiet in that house. Guluva will not say anything, even though when Guluva knew that what Ashley was doing that night, insulting people's parents, was wrong, he never opened his mouth to say anything. He just went to the boys' club and said, "Oh, I'm not involved. Oh, I do not support her in what she did. Oh, people came up here to drag him and said that he doesn't want to defend her. When Ashley would do something that has Guluva will be quiet. He will not say anything. To the extent this boy said, I will not help, I will not fight people because you are fighting them. Don't forget, when she's fighting someone, she wants that boy to fight that person. Don't you know that now that they're outside the house, the cameras are not on them, she is even doing worse, and that boy has had enough. And I'm happy that whatever leak video or chat came out, at least this boy can rest. His mother can have him to herself. Because the boy has tried. He has given her all the fame she deserves. There are some people that might even come out of that house and they will deny her. They will just, if they see the backlash that she was receiving, they would have run away. But no. He held her. He said, I'm going to stand with you through thick and thin. Even though when he came out, people were still dragging her down. Our whole video, pictures everywhere. If you Google that thing, that rape apology is there. It is still there. It will be there in her head forever. And she was trying to use Guluva to whitewash that thing. But unfortunately, I am happy that he did not. Now, Guluva is coming out of the season. But still yet, he deserves everything. And the punishment for him is his fans turning their back on him. People like you, Charity. I am happy that you are doing this because I was not expecting this from you. Because you were on Spaces every day, dragging for nothing.